How to change theme on Viber. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your theme on Viber. So first thing, simply head over to your Viber and make sure you are logged into your account and just click on more section at the bottom right corner. So once you click on it, scroll down until you see these settings. Just click on it, and from over here what you need to do is just click on the appearance section, as you can see. So just convert it to light, or you can also convert it back to the dark, or you can also use this option called auto theme, due to which Viber automatically follows your phone's theme. So let me just choose a light. So, and just come back, and that is exactly how you can easily change your theme on Viber application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.